The Providence Group has a brand new master plan community in Buford called Millcroft, and today I am here with Natalie. And Natalie, it's great to see you. And I'm so excited to be here. I love when the Providence Group has new neighborhoods. You have such beautiful homes. So what can you tell us about Millcroft?
Oh, thank you. Well, here at Millcroft, this is another TPG community that offers an elevated lifestyle. We will have single family homes, 79, that's it, single family opportunities, and then 208 townhomes. Wow. Here at Millcroft, we're gonna have a luxury resort style swimming pool. We'll have a clubhouse that'll feature a fitness center. We'll also have pocket parks throughout the community. Millcroft is located at the intersection of Woodward Mill and Buford. We are close to 3 vibrant downtown city areas. One of them is going to be Buford, of course, Sugar Hill, and then Swanee.
And so talk a little bit more about the single family homes and townhomes. What kind of homes are they going to feature here?
So the single family homes, the 79, we will have some rear entry style, and then we'll have some other single family homes that'll have the garage in the front. There'll be 3-story townhomes, which are our Glendales, that are 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. And then we'll have our 2-story townhomes that'll be 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Each home is built with the homeowner's comfort and needs in mind. That's why we are proud to offer the benefits of natural gas in these homes. Natural gas is clean, safe, reliable, affordable, and efficient. We include natural gas furnaces, water heating, fireplaces, and cooktops because no matter the season or the weather, every family deserves energy they can depend on at a cost they can afford. Now, the townhomes start at $469, and our single family homes will start at $574 and go up from there.
Well, Natalie, thanks so much for being here with me today. And to learn more about natural gas and natural gas products, you can go to atlantagaslight.com. And remember, nothing says welcome home like the comfort of natural gas.